A pro-patent foraminal is present in dash percent of adults. A 5 to 10%, B 12 to 18%, C 20 to 25%, D none of the above. Correct answer C 20 to 25%. A pro-patent foramen means a probe can be passed from right atrium to left atrium across the foramen ovale without actually resorting to septal puncture with a needle when you wish to enter left atrium during cardiac catheter interventions like balloon mitral valvotomy. Patent foramen ovale is less common than PPFO. Cerebral hyperperfusion syndrome is a rare complication described after A. Carotid endarterectomy, B. Carotid angioplasty, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. Correct answer C. All of the above. Ipsilateral headache, nausea, vomiting, focal seizures, and altered mental status are the features of cerebral hyperperfusion syndrome. Long-standing hypoperfusion due to severe carotid stenosis impairs the cerebral autoregulation of microcirculation. Sudden improvement of perfusion pressure after revascularization overwhelms the ability of dilated arterioles to constrict, causing the hyperperfusion syndrome. Carotid bulb is the A. Proximal dilated portion of the internal carotid artery, B. Proximal dilated portion of the external carotid artery, C. Proximal dilated portion of the common carotid artery, D. None of the above. Correct answer A. Proximal dilated portion of internal carotid artery. It is also known as carotid sinus and has a lot of baroreceptors involved in carotid sinus mediated syncope, carotid sinus hypersensitivity. Common carotid artery bifurcation is at the level of A. Cricoid cartilage, B. hyoid cartilage, C. Thyroid cartilage, D. None of the above. Correct answer C. Thyroid cartilage. Common carotid artery usually bifurcates into internal and external carotid arteries at the level of the thyroid cartilage. Material used for bioabsorbable coronary stent is A. Polyethylene glycol, B. Polyvinyl chloride, C. Polylactic acid, D. None of the above. Correct answer C. Polylactic acid. It is completely degraded and absorbed by about 9 months. Bioabsorbable stents are called bioabsorbable vascular scaffolds. Which of the following is a microsomal triglyceride transfer protein inhibitor? A. Ancetrapib, B. Mipomersen, C. Lomitepide, D. None of the above. Correct answer C. Lomitepide. The formation of ApoB containing lipoproteins in liver and intestines are mediated by microsomal triglyceride transfer proteins. Lomitepide decreases total cholesterol, non-HDL cholesterol, ApoB, and lipoprotein a. It has been approved by FDA for treatment of homozygous familial hypercholesterolemia. True statement about Mipomersen. A. Antisense oligonucleotide targeting ApoB. B. Reduces ApoB and total cholesterol. C. FDA approved medication for homozygous familial hypercholesterolemia. D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Mipomersen can also be used in statin intolerant patients with dyslipidemia. It can cause fat accumulation in the liver and injection site reactions. The drug is given as weekly injections. Drug which blocks intestinal absorption of cholesterol. A. Atorvastatin, B. Gemfibrozil, C. Ezetimibe, D. Rosuvastatin. Correct answer C. Ezetimibe. Ezetimibe acts by selectively blocking the uptake of cholesterol and other sterols by intestinal epithelial cells. The action is on Niemann-Pick C1-like 1 cholesterol uptake receptors. Interestingly, it has been recently shown that NPC1L1 expression is necessary for hepatitis C virus infection. Ezetimibe can block the entry of HCV into the cell in experimental situations. True statement regarding bile acid sequestrants. A. Inhibit the absorption of bile acids. B. Depletion of cholesterol pool in the liver. C. LDL receptor upregulation, D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. They occur sequentially. In addition, they have a beneficial effect on glycemia, possibly mediated through incretins. Important bile acid sequestrants are cholestyramine, cholestyramine, and cholesyvalum. Doubling dose of statin produces further reduction in low-density lipoprotein cholesterol by A. 3%, B. 7%, C. 25%, D. 50%. Correct answer B. 7%. Although the initial dose of statin produces substantial reduction in LDL cholesterol, doubling dose of statin produces further reduction of only 7%, known as rule of 7, possibly due to counter-regulatory mechanisms. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.